So I have an entirely new respect for coconut water, coconut juice, coconut oil, pretty much all products that come from coconut. I had no idea how labor intensive it was to produce these products. Now, we had a trip to the spice farm in Zanzibar, out near Stonetown, which is a pretty popular city, a well-known city in that area. And while we were touring that farm, one of the workers there decided to climb a tree and get us a coconut. And, at first I didn't think that was going to be such a thing until, of course, we started to see what it actually entailed. Just take a look.
Halo. Jambo.
Jambo.
Hakuna matata.
Vizuri.
Okay, welcome Zanzibar, Mr. Butterfly. Oi. Oi, oi. Oi, oi. Yeti anasema kumekucha bwana. Wawa. Yeti na makucha yake. Yeti, welcome Zanzibar. Yeti, welcome Zanzibar. Yeti hakuna matata bwana. Yeti hakuna. Wawa.
Sasa zonge kama binadamu mwema hapo.
Oi. Oi.
Jinga wewe.
Yeti malaika. Yeti nakupenda malaika. Yeti mimi kijana mwenzio. Wawa. Oi. Oi, oi.
Jua kali.
Oi, oi.
Oh my gosh.
Oi, oi. Hakuna. Ro. Hola. Jambo bwana. Habari gani?
Nzuri sana. Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata.
That's dope.
Hakuna matata.
Jambo bwana. Habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wakaribisha Zanzibar yetu. Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata.
This by far was one of my favorite aspects of the tour. For a long time, and I think even to this day, one of the major exports from Zanzibar is spices. And for a person like me who loves to cook and loves to cook with herbs and fresh natural things, it was really cool to be there and to see some of the spices I use on a day-to-day basis in its raw, pure form. I mean, everything from like cinnamon bark to, lemongrass, thyme. They even had this really cool fruit that the locals used to use where they would crack it open and use the inside of it like as makeup. Women would put it on their lips sometimes or on their face or even put it in their hair. It was just so cool to see those things in its natural form. But like I said, definitely, I think what took the cake was that coconut water. Seeing that gentleman climb probably what was a good 50 feet tall tree to get a coconut. And I will say that was the tastiest coconut water I have ever had in my life. I don't know if it's just because it was fresh or it's because I got a chance to see the labor that went into it, or both. But like I said, that was so cool. And it was totally unexpected. I had no idea he was going to do that. It was a nice, pleasant surprise. The song they broke out into was incredibly special. And it was just an overall great experience. And so if you haven't had a chance to visit Zanzibar or Africa or anything, I would highly recommend it. Check it out. And let me know what you think. Does this interest you? Do you now have an entirely new respect for coconut like I do? Let me know what you think. Leave your questions, comments, concerns in the comment section below. And thank you so much for listening. And we will talk later.